The crypto markets are trembling again. Is another dump coming? Let's break down what's actually happening, what changed since the crash, and why the next few days could make or break the entire market. After the crash, chaos. Bitcoin dropped over 8%. Nearly $19 billion in leveraged positions vanished overnight. That's not just a correction, that's trauma. But now, the dust is shifting. China is doubling down, promising to fight to the end. Meanwhile, Trump's tone suddenly softened. He even hinted at possible talks. That small shift gave markets a tiny bounce. But underneath, fear still rules. Options traders are loading up on protection. Translation? They're preparing for pain. So, could another crash actually happen? Here's why the risk is real. First, the trade war isn't over. One harsh statement, one export ban, or one new tariff, and sentiment could collapse in hours. Second, support levels are fragile. If prices fall below that psychological floor, around 104 to 110,000, expect a domino of panic selling. Third, leverage. There's still too much of it. A single sharp move could force cascading liquidations, just like last time. And finally, macro pressure. Global liquidity is tightening. When big investors pull out of risk assets, crypto bleeds first. But here's what could stop another disaster. Even a hint of peace between Trump and Xi could flip sentiment overnight. Now, let's talk possible outcomes. Scenario A, a small dip, maybe 10 to 15%, then we range sideways. Scenario B, we break the floor and tumble another 20 to 25%. Scenario C, a surprise rebound, 8 to 12% up, driven by diplomatic headlines. Personally, I lean toward scenario A, a shaky test of support, maybe a brief scare, but not full-blown collapse. Unless something breaks geopolitically. So here's the takeaway. Keep your exposure light. Don't go all in. Watch your support levels. And if they break, react fast. Stay nimble, not emotional. Use small hedges if you know how. And above all, track the headlines. Because the next crash won't start on a chart. It'll start in a press release. Yes, another dump is possible, but panic never pays. Preparation does. Remember, this video is based on our own research and is for informational purposes only. It is not financial advice. Stay sharp, stay safe. Thanks for watching.